In any application, if there is two-factor authentication available, you should set that two-factor authentication. It is very useful feature because if anyone is trying to log into your account, they cannot log into your account easily. They need to get some OTP also, then only they can enter your account. So to keep your app safe, it is better to enable two-factor authentication. Anyways, in this video, we'll be telling about how to enable two-factor authentication in your X application. X was previously known as Twitter. Anyways, for this first what we need to do is open X application. After opening X application, above you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you are clicking on that, you can see settings and support. Click on settings and support. When you are clicking on that, you can see settings and privacy. Click on that button. When you are clicking on that, you can see security and account access. Click on this button. When you are clicking on that, you can see security option. Click on security. When you are clicking on that, you can see one option, two-factor authentication. Click on this button. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here you can see three options, text message, authentication app and security key. If you want to set two-factor authentication using your mobile number, you can select text message. But the problem is that you should be premium subscriber to do this. For free, you can do it with authentication app. And one more option is the security key. By connecting security key device, you can enable that also. That is only needed if you want more security. Anyways, for free, we can use authentication app. To enable two-factor authentication, what you need to do is, next to that authentication app, you can see a toggle. Just turn this on. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here you can see get started option. Click on get started. When you are clicking on that, you can see link app option. Click on link app. When you are clicking on that, you will reach Google Authenticator app. If in your phone, Google Authenticator app is not there, go to Play Store and from Play Store, search for Google Authenticator and you can see an application like this. Install this application and after that again come to X application and when you are clicking on link account, you will reach that page. In that page, you can see a pop-up message like this. Click on OK. When you are clicking on that, that key will be added. This is the new key. Now what we need to do is, you need to copy this code from here. After that, you need to enter that code here. After that, click on confirm. When you are clicking on that, everything will be ready. But important thing you should notice that here you can see one code. You should save this code in a secure place. Copy this code and save it anywhere and keep it safe. Anyways, after that, click on this done button. When you are clicking on that, two-factor authentication will be enabled. And if you forgot that backup code, here you can see backup code option. When you are clicking on that, you can see backup code. Important thing you should notice that you should copy that code and keep it safe with you. After this, if anyone is trying to log in, they need to enter code from Google Authenticator app. That code will not be always safe. It will change within few seconds. So every time you should go to that application and check that code. Normally we can use this application, but if you are logging to another device, you should paste that code. So now two-factor authentication is enabled. So this way you can easily enable two-factor authentication in X or Twitter. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.